A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
D for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
A for fish.
Z for grapes.
G for grape.
H for hand.
A for fan.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Z for jug.
J for desk.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nest.
M for nest.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for sun.
T for sun.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for Xmas tree.
F for assembly.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
चलो बच्चों अब पढ़ते हैं 1 2 1
1
2
2
3
3
4
4
5
5
6
6
7
7
8
8
9
9
10
10
11
11
12
12
13
13
14
14
15
15
16
16
17
17
18
18
19
20
20
20
बाय बाय बच्चों, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और लाइक करो। बाय बाय, अगली बार हम कुछ नया सीखते हैं।